Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the MSc Statistics Delhi University question. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing the book of this MSc Statistics Entrance Exam. If you need this book, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen below, which is 900-936-8238. You can call or message on this number. In this book, you will find the previous solved questions of all the years, and it includes the 2014 to 2022 question papers, because there is no 2023 papers we have now. The question 4 of this question, this is the 2018 question, which is the listing of elements in population with distinct identifiable number is classified as. So there are the four options we have: the regularity experimental frame, second is frame for experiment, direct experimental frame, and indirect experimental frame. So the question is asking about the listing of elements in population. So what, how to classify it in the, so when we say that, this is the answer is frame for experiment. The listing of elements in a population with the distinct identifiers is typically referred to as when we classified our elements in a population. So this is called a frame for the experiment, or simply frame. This frame serves as a basis for selecting samples in experiments or survey. So this is called actually a frame when we classified into our population at the different parts or different spread outs. So this is called a frame for experiment. Now thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you soon in the next video. If you have any query regarding this, you can call us or message us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on our screen. Thank you so much for watching.